The renowned actor Andre Braugher, who recently passed away, was also the narrator of UPF's first film, Muhammad, Legacy of a Prophet.
He was neither tall and lanky, nor short and heavy-set. When he looked at someone, he looked them in the eyes. He was the most generous-hearted of men, the most truthful of them in speech, the most mild-tempered of them, and the noblest of them in lineage. Anyone who would describe him would say, "I never saw before or after him the like of him." Muhammad, described by a contemporary.
For a world subjected to the worst possible stereotypes about the Prophet Muhammad, we believed it was crucial to show how transformative his life was and how his teachings inspire millions of Americans to do good every day. With subtle nuances in his voice, Andre Braugher added both warmth and depth to the narrative.